Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to favorite channels on YouTube TV. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you will have to come on YouTube TV and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now over here, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and by default, you will be on this membership page. Now in the left hand section, you will have to just try to find the option of live guide, and once you click on that option, you will see all of the channels that are available on YouTube TV. So in order to select the channels that you want to add in your favorite, you just have to drag them and you just have to simply drop them on the top. So you can just list down your favorite like from 1 to 10, and you can basically arrange the list from the given section. After that, you just have to simply come back, and once you come on the home page, you will be able to view all of your channels according to the arrangement of yours. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.